At IKEA, we are very conscious and dedicated about taking care of children and new parents. A newborn is the start of a new family and hence need extra comfort and care. Hello and welcome back to IKEA 101. Today, we are going to talk about Smagora changing table and how this little addition helps simplify life with babies. As per experts, you change your baby's diaper every 2 to 3 hours or as often as needed. This Smagora is at a comfortable height for changing the baby. This practical storage space supports you to keep a hand on your baby while reaching out for essentials. You can easily transform the changing table into a spacious shelf when your child gets older. With 2 extra shelf units behind the changing table, you get even more room for everything that you need. Add a Vadra baby care mat on top of the changing table. Made with soft foam filling, raised sides and easy wipe-off surface, the mat ensures safety for your baby. Curious children can become a real challenge at the changing table. There are so many exciting things to discover around. This set of on-click keeps the baby care items out of the way but close at hand. Direct harsh light could be really disturbing for your baby's eyes. Use our range of soft approved lights which will give you enough light for the task in hand. We suggest you to not put anything above within the reach of the baby's hand to keep them safe. Your baby is a priority for you, and here at IKEA we make sure it is our priority too. Until next time, bye-bye.